So this is one right here.
Brian Thomas wants his 70,000 TikTok followers to know all about his battle with monkeypox.
I just want people to know that, this is a manageable illness. It's temporary. It's not permanent.
However, it is a virus that's disproportionately affected gay men so far. Brian believes he caught monkeypox during a Pride event in Wilton Manors, Florida.
There was lots of people, lots of just close contact with lots of people, and I think that's most likely where I got it.
Brian grew his social media platform discussing his experience as an HIV positive nurse in Baltimore. Now he's using it to spread the word about monkeypox.
And of course, we're like, it's not going to be that big of a deal. It's just being sensationalized, and it's definitely not going to happen to me. And, I am proof that it can happen to you.
And an increasing number of people in Tampa Bay are catching it. So far, there have been 5 cases in Pinellas County and 2 in Polk. USF Health Dr. Thomas Unash says monkeypox cases have rarely ever spread out of Africa.
And it may have managed to mutate to become a little bit more infectious and more well adapted to human beings.
Unash says monkeypox is spread through close contact, which makes it much less transmissible than COVID-19.
So unlike COVID, which is developed to a point where one person in a room can infect everybody and 100 people in a room all at once. This thing requires really pretty darn close, intimate contact.
And up until now, there haven't been any deaths associated with the virus in the U.S. Initial symptoms can include fever, fatigue, and muscle aches. Eventually, patients develop a rash with blisters that can be very painful.
I've got one right here.
And that's what Brian is dealing with, and he wants the public to avoid it if possible.
And it's very scary, but I think we're just very burnt out. We're like, okay, it's just another thing, but we need to take it seriously.
Yeah, good advice right there. And last week, the Biden administration launched the first phase of its monkeypox vaccine rollout. The goal is to provide better access to vaccines to people who are at greater risk of contracting the virus. Allie?
Something else to think about. All right, Aaron, thank you.